In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint template by making your own slide background. Designing your personalized PowerPoint template can provide a consistent style and branding for your presentations, making them more visually appealing and professional. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting, a conference, or even a class presentation, having a unique template can go a long way in making a lasting impression. The first step you'll want to take is to open PowerPoint on your computer. Just launch the application as you would any other program. If you're using Windows, you can find it on your Start menu. For Mac users, you can access it from the Applications folder or Launchpad. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll need to direct your attention to the presentation you want to work with. If you have an existing presentation, open it. However, if you're starting from scratch, create a new slide deck. It's important to have a presentation open because that will serve as the canvas for designing your template. Next, you want to head over to the Design tab in the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. The Design tab is where you'll find tools for customizing the look of your slides, including themes, colors, fonts, and more. This is your go-to place when changing the overall design of your presentation. Within the Design tab, look for the Theme section. Here you'll see a drop-down arrow, usually located on the far right. Click on this drop-down arrow to expand the list of available themes. You'll notice many predefined themes to choose from, but since we're creating a custom template, we'll stick with our own design choices. To create your own theme, focus on customization options within the Design tab and adjust elements such as slide background, color schemes, and fonts to suit your preference. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save it as a theme. This will make it reusable for future presentations and ensure consistency across all your slides. Look for the option titled Save Current Theme. Simply click on it. A dialog box will prompt you to type in the name for your theme. This is your chance to give it a unique name that reflects the purpose or style of your presentation. Once you've entered a name, save your theme. It will now appear under Custom Themes the next time you expand that drop down in the Design tab. This step ensures that you can easily access your specially designed template for any new or existing presentation whenever you need it. And there you have it. Creating your own PowerPoint template is straightforward and highly customizable. You've set up a distinctive look for your future presentations that speaks to your style or brand identity. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to explore further customization options to make your slides even more engaging. In the following videos, we'll discuss additional techniques to enhance your PowerPoint skills even more.